Oh, it's gonna stop it.
It won't, Joe.
Leave go! No one. I'm gonna wet off. I don't need a jump in, James.
Go.
Jump in. Get into it, boom.
Holy shit!
Well, take my t-shirt off.
Go.
You recording?
Go. Just go. Do it. Oh! Shit!
It's a proper D. Oh my god.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
I went straight on the moon. I'm gonna do a backflip, mate. Climb in the tree. See the branch there.
Climb out.
You can jump up the branch there. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Did you swing out and let go?
Holy shit.
Do it.
Do it.
Did you manage to get wet anyway? You jump around and let go.
Do it.
On purpose. Well, that's usually what happens. Is it? I'm going to do it. Just do it. Yeah, let go! It's a push. Is it deep then?
Yeah.
Well.
Isn't even deep there.
Just do it. Go. 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 Keep your feet up in the air and like you did. Oh! Someone's gonna do that.
Go, Tony. Go.
Go. What? Let go. Let go.
Ah, free of me.
Oh, go down there.
How do I You get down on the bottom step, though.
Yeah, Tom.
Don't push him.
Fuck your legs like hell.
Go on then, just go. Don't even think about it.
Do it. Go. Go.
Keep your feet high.
Go.
Leave go! Leave go!
Why didn't you leave go?
I can touch the floor, you know. Right. Go on, Tom.
Here comes Matty. Matty!
Are you going on the line?
Go on, Tom. Just do it. Keep your legs high. Oh, leave go, leave go!
Get the stick!
Get the stick when you get to the bit where you can stand up. Stick! Got the stick! Come! Go. Go.
Oh my god. I nearly snapped then. Nearly snapped.
Tony!
When you jump in, when you put your head
Marty! Folly Marty!